Mastering polite correction. Let me rectify that. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a powerful phrase that can help you correct information or a situation in the most polite and professional way possible. The phrase is, "Let me rectify that." Stick around to learn how to use this phrase effectively in various contexts, enhancing your English communication skills. At its core, "let me rectify that" is a polite way of saying, "Allow me to correct that mistake," or "I will make that right." The word rectify itself means to correct something that is wrong. By using this phrase, you're not only acknowledging a mistake or a misunderstanding but also taking responsibility to correct it. This approach is seen as respectful and professional, making it suitable for both formal and informal situations. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of scenarios. In professional settings, when you've made a mistake in your work or need to correct misinformation during a presentation or meeting. In casual conversations, if you've given someone the wrong information or misunderstood something they said. In customer service, when addressing a customer's complaint or concern, and you need to assure them that you're taking steps to solve the issue. The key is to use it when you are ready to take immediate action to correct a wrong, showing your commitment to accuracy and respect for the other party. To effectively use "let me rectify that," follow these steps. 1. Acknowledge the mistake. Clearly recognize the error or misunderstanding. 2. Use the phrase, say, "Let me rectify that," to signal your intention to correct the issue. 3. Correct the error. Provide the correct information or take the necessary action to solve the problem. 4. Follow up. Ensure that the mistake has been adequately addressed and that the other party is satisfied with the solution. Remember, the manner in which you say this phrase also matters. Use a calm and sincere tone to convey genuine intention to make things right. Let's go through a couple of practice scenarios to see how "let me rectify that" can be applied. Scenario 1. During a presentation, you accidentally provide incorrect data about a project's budget. Once you realize the mistake, you can say, "I apologize for the confusion. Let me rectify that," and then proceed to provide the accurate information. Scenario 2. In a conversation with a friend, you mistakenly attribute a quote to the wrong author. When corrected, you can respond with, "Oh, my mistake. Let me rectify that," and then mention the correct author. These examples show how acknowledging the mistake and using the phrase can smoothly transition into correcting the information. "Let me rectify that" is a valuable phrase for anyone looking to enhance their English communication skills, especially in situations requiring correction or clarification. It shows accountability, professionalism, and respect for the truth and the people you interact with. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily interactions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.